6 tips to starting a new habit for success. When you are trying to create success in life, you start with building a habit. These habits for success will eventually lead to the end goal, but before you get to that point, you have to start at the beginning. This is where many people fail, because they don't know what to expect when starting a new habit. These 6 tips will help you get started, so that your chances of building a habit for success are a lot higher. 1. Train one at a time. If this is your first time developing habits, or if you have very little experience at it, you may want to train only one habit at a time. Developing more than one habit, especially if they are unrelated, may end up preventing you from success. 2. Take action daily. Do something every day towards your habit. You may be trying to develop a habit that only happens once a week, but while you are in the learning stage, you need to make sure that you remind yourself every single day. Otherwise, your habit may not stick. 3. Commit to 30 days. If you want to develop a new habit, then it is going to take at least 30 days to make it permanent, and depending upon the habit, sometimes quite a bit longer. Commit to 30 days no matter what, and then you can reevaluate and decide if you want to change things up. 4. Start small. One of the reasons that people fail is that they try to do too much too soon. For example, someone who is really out of shape might set a goal to run 3 miles a day, but their body is only capable of 1/4 of a mile, and they feel like a failure their first day on the job. Set your goals small until you know what you are capable of. 5. Know your triggers. Triggers can be positive or negative. If you know what triggers form bad habits, or what triggers prompt good habits, you will be ahead of the game. 6. Write it down. When you write down your goals, research shows that you are much more likely to take them seriously. Write down the habits that you are trying to set, whether you do it on paper or on your phone, and then review them regularly until they are so deeply ingrained you'll never forget them.